What?
You got smoke or anything?
Nah, just the finger game.
Over there.
Where?
Right at the back, blue barrels.
Yeah.
Right behind.
Yeah. Fuck this.
If it's clear for me to call and try and get it, then.
Fuck calling, mate.
You got him, mate. Well done. Nice shooting. Alright.
Do your balls hang low? Do you swing to and fro? Can you tie him in a nut? Can you tie him in a bow? Never be. You've run it from the scene and then you'll never be a sailor if your balls hang low. Fuck that.